Welcome back to the channel. This is episode 4 of the Grounding and Bounding Masterclass series. Today we're breaking down grounding versus bounding, the code rules under OESC 2024, and the extract mistakes that cause inspection failures. If you wire panels, sub-panels, or service equipment in Canada, this episode is a must. First, let's clear this up because a lot of people mix these up. Grounding connects the electrical system to the earth. Its job is to stabilize voltage, reduce lightning and surge impact, provide a reference point to ground. Bounding connects metal parts together so they are at the same electrical potential. Bounding is what actually clears faults and trip breakers. They are not the same, and the code treats them differently. OESC reference Rule 10-200/10-204, purpose of grounding and bounding. This is a big misconception. The Grounding Electrode Conductor, the GEC, does not trip breakers. It is not a fault clearing path. The breaker trips through the equipment bounding conductor, not the ground rod. The GEC role is voltage stabilization, surge dissipation. Surge dissipation, earth reference, that's it. OESC reference Rule 10-106, 10-210. GEC sizing is not guesswork. It's straight from the code. Under OESC Table 16, 100 amp service, number 8 copper. 200 amp service, number 6 copper. 400 amp service, number 2 copper. If you undersize this conductor, inspector will fail it. Aluminum conductors must be upsized and protected from corrosion. OESC reference Rule 10-210 plus Table 16. And for all those who are tuning into today's video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can also become a member of the channel. Let's talk electrodes. A ground rod must be minimum 8 feet, 2.4 meters, driven full length into the earth, tested to 25 ohms or less, or you add a second rod. A ground plate is used when rods aren't practical. It must be minimum surface area per code, buried at proper depth. Direct earth contact. You don't choose based on preference. You choose based on site conditions. OESC reference Rule 10-700 /10-702. Main panel versus sub-panel bonding. This is where most people fail inspection, at the main service disconnect. Neutral and ground are bonded. At a sub-panel, neutral must be isolated. Ground bar bonded to the full enclosure. Leaving the bonding screw in a sub-panel creates parallel path, short hazards, and stray current on metal. OESC reference Rule 10-806, 10-808. Here are the mistakes inspectors see all the time. Neutral bonded in a sub-panel. Undersized GEC. Ground rods not driven full depth. Improper ground clamp. Mixing copper and aluminum without anti-oxide. No bonding bushings on surface raceways. Fix these and you pass most inspection. That's episode 4 of the Grounding and Bonding Masterclass series. If this helped you, like the video, comment where you're watching from, subscribe for the next episode. Stay safe and stay grounded.